Hello everybody and welcome back to Junior Workshop. Today I received a shipment of some new things that I ordered for my shop. I ordered a master brush. It comes with 3 airbrushes, a compressor system with 6 paint colors, and a supplies kit. Also has a spray booth for master brush as well. Well, let's see what's in the box. Let me open it here real quick. First thing, we got the color board. Should have got a US art supply. You can see right there. It's a color table. Side. Come with six star set or pack color. Let me open the box so you guys can see it real quick. With my first air compressor. Inside, it comes with a set to hang 2 guns. Brushes to clean the guns. Instruction manual how to use the compressor for better quality. Master brush how to airbrush instruction guidebook. I'm gonna read all these. Make sure I use it properly. Come with a color mix wheel. It mix colors now, really nice. From, like I said, from US art supply. It took about 4 to 5 days actually. Oh no. Comes with a Moto G25 master brush gun. You open it right here. Oh, nice. It has a small cup, so probably just like to do little touch ups. Probably. There's another one right here. A Moto G22. This I believe is for the paint. See how it looks on the cup right here. Nice. What else is in here in the box? Alright, now get the compressor out. Real quick, get it out of the box. Alright, oh, sorry about that. Alright, this will be another gun. Nice. It's coming with 2 cups, the hose, another cover for another cup. Nice little gun. Like I said, I just got it. I gotta go through to see which one is for which. It will be a hose. So let's see. What we got? Oh, sorry about that. That will be our compressor. You can see it right here. Wow. Nice. one a half horsepower, 110 to 120 volts, 60 megahertz, 1700 RPM, 3.4 kilograms. Nice little compressor. It will be our dry valve. Get the water out. Has a chrome plate in the back. Pretty cool. It will be to graduate the air. How much you want out? It's like a couple pounds. There's a switch right here. Extension. Alright, pretty cool. Alright, let me show you. I forgot the spray boot system. As well, I bought it from US Art Supply. The box is a little bigger. It's in this big white box. Let me get it out of here real quick. This will be our hose for the air to breathe out. This goes towards the window. The big piece. Part of the exhaust. Connection, hoses, clamp, and the hose. The stretch 6 feet. You can even use this indoor. And this will be a spray boot system. It's portable. Pretty light actually. This will be our spray boot system. Just enjoy fresh air. It will be this way right there. It doesn't have lights. When I went to buy the one with the lights, it was already gone. There was no more in stock. We are fan in the back. I gotta figure out how to hook it up. It's on here. You open it. Set it up on the back. Well, now that I've got the builder, I gotta just kind of figure it out. And actually, this one, I'm gonna build just the small piece. But if I'm not mistaken, this one it opens bigger, so you can paint 2 cars at the same time. And this will be our plate to paint the parts inside here. Pretty cool. Alright, everybody. I hope you like my new upgrade on my little shop. Go to Junior Workshop, subscribe, like, and don't forget share. And I got trying to build more product and try to get better on this. And see you next time. Thank you.